Hi, I'm Oliver, and I'm here to talk about choosing the right monitors for your studio setup. Choosing the right cable is essential. Balanced cables like TRS and XLR reduce noise and interference. For digital setups, you might use D-Sub, Dante, or AES67 cables, depending on your needs and studio setup. The JBL 104BT studio monitors offer multiple cabling options, including RCA and TRS for wired connections. The JBL 3 series offers a variety of options as well, including balanced XLR and TRS. The JBL 7 series offers these connectivity options as well, but also supports Ethernet connectivity. Alright, let's talk about studio monitor placement. First thing I like to do is get them off the desk to reduce any unwanted vibrations. And the way I do that is with isoacoustic stands that either look like this and get your monitor to ear level, or look like this and are kind of foam padding that reduce the vibration on wood or metal bases. When placing your studio monitors, you want to sit or stand in your optimal mix position and make sure that each of the speakers is equal distance from your ears. So I like to reach out and grab the speakers, make sure they're around the same space, and then that distance should be about the same distance between them. If they're too far apart, your stereo image will be too wide, and if they're too close, you won't get much stereo image. So you want the sound to arrive at your ears at about the same time to reduce phase problems or EQ problems. And you also want to make sure your studio monitors are up high enough so they're not pointing down at your body, they're pointing up at your ears. In this position, with these 308s, this is kind of my optimal mix position. My ears are equal distant from each of the speakers, and the speakers are equal distant from each other. The monitors are also about a foot off the wall. If I get closer to the wall, I'll get more bass, and if I get further away, it'll probably sound a little flatter. The JBL 104BT monitors are designed to fit into your desktop workspace. Their design makes them ideal for delivering accurate sound at a close range. Near-field monitors like the JBL 3 series are ideal for smaller spaces, while the mid-field and far-field monitors suit larger studios. The JBL 7 series is designed as a near-field monitor, perfect for smaller spaces, but they still perform well in larger environments with the right positioning. Consider room acoustics too. Bass traps and proper room treatment help reduce reflections and phase cancellation, leading to a more accurate sound. Tuning your monitors to your room is crucial. The JBL 3 series features built-in EQ settings that allow you to tailor the sound to your specific environment. The JBL 7 series offers built-in EQ settings that let you customize the sound to fit your environment perfectly. Make adjustments on the fly to ensure your monitors are delivering the best possible sound. Listen to a variety of audio tracks to help EQ your space. With the family of JBL studio monitors, you're equipped with the tools you need to create high-quality recordings in your home studio. Make sure to choose the right monitors, place them properly, and tune them to your space for the best results. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more pro studio tips from Sounds from the Studio. See you next time.